सहना भवतु सहनं भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ। माँ का नाम लेके जब हम काम करते हैं ना, the food tastes so good when we take मा's name. जो भी आपके इष्ट है या whoever, the food is absolutely amazing, you know. So you must do that. Now I've taken a pan and I'm making lemon rice today. You know, the South Indian style lemon rice. It's very simple but very tasty. So here it goes. I'm taking sesame oil, til ka tel, which is very interesting. Try taking til ka tel, sesame oil. Let it heat. Once it is heated, rye, dry chillies, chana daal, urad daal, lots of curry patta, as much as you can, and peanuts. I'm putting the flame on slow. Peanuts, cashew nuts, and saute it nicely. Saute. Then add slit green chillies. I'm not talking about the measurements because it's all in the description box. तो आप देख लेना वहाँ पे, मैं अंदाज से कर रही हूँ, but I've given the exact measurements. Now you have to go on cooking till the chana dal and the urad dal is cooked nicely. Then you add a little bit of turmeric, not much, and hing. The rice is already cooked. It's a leftover rice. I had made it yesterday. और चावल है कल का. Like I've always said, when you make things like this, it's always good to make the chawal in advance, the rice in advance. And do not take basmati chawal. Take kolam or short grain rice. In South Indian food, basmati doesn't really go. You need a little moisture. Now this is done. So I'll let it cool down. I've switched off the gas and I'll wait. Why am I waiting? Because I need to put in the lime juice, one whole lime juice. Now what happens is, lime juice, if you put it in very hot pan, lime juice becomes a little bitter. So let the pan cool down a little bit और उसके बाद आप lime juice डालो. Now see, South Indian rices are such that you don't have to heat it. So once it is cooked, you have to let it cool down, and when you are actually serving, you don't have to heat it again. You have to just serve it that way. You know, like room temperature kind of thing. It's never hot. There are lots of different South Indian rices like tamarind rice, puliodhari rice, then there is curd rice, which I am making, you know. Have I already made it in the previous video? I'm not sure because it all comes serial wise. But I will show you all that. And all these rice, you know, the South Indian rices are not heated again. You can have it just room temperature or cool. Now throw in your lime juice, and once you throw that in, just sprinkle a little water for the lime to retain itself and not become bitter. Now I'll switch on the gas again because I had switched it off. On slow and put salt. As much as you need. Once this is done, now you add your rice. And mix. I have taken in this, I think, 1.5 cups of rice. But you can take 1 cup or whatever. And I've given the exact measurement, so don't worry about that. See? And add the rest. कुछ भी वेस्ट नहीं करना. सब आप चावल ले लो. अन्न है, so add everything. Mix. See, it looks so good. Take very little haldi, ठीक है? Don't take too much haldi. So this is your lemon rice, and you can just have it this way. You can have it with the dahi, not just plain dahi, a raita or something if you want. I prefer it this way, just simple lemon rice. And we are done. Now we'll serve in a plate. See, take a plate and serve. पास से दिखाओ. दिख रहा है?
दिख रहा है.
Very good. All your cashews and everything. One step is you take some curry patta, curry leaves, add some salt in it, crush it nicely. Crush it with the salt. Like this. And then you break it when you're serving, okay? Break it like this and sprinkle it on top, and it tastes delicious. See? Nice?
Yes.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ. सब खाइए and write to me. Tell me how you like it and please try making it because it's really nice. And please comment and let me know. जय माँ.